I introduce myself as my name is Praveen Kumar Goyani. I am BE Mechanical from Sardar Patel University. I passed my graduation in 1989. Then I joined mining companies. I have 29 years experience in India and abroad. I work in India, big companies like Narmada Cement, GIPCL, Sunflex Steels, Jindal, and at abroad I work in Mittal Group and Vale Brazilian company. So my basic experience is based on the mining equipments, metal handling systems, conveyor belts, etc. Here I am working as Chief Manager, Plant and Machinery. We have this project for 25 years. Our reserve is for 25 years to supply the lignite to power plant. Basically, this power plant is 500 megawatt and requirement per day of this lignite is more than 10,000 if the two plants running in full capacity. Unfortunately, now the plant is suffering some technical problem, but it will be solved shortly and we will produce more lignite. Nowadays, our equipments list is saying that 60 dumpers we have, 5 case dozer. We have introduced only case dozer in our mines, not other. Also, graders, we are using only the case dozer. We are satisfied with the case dozers and graders. Initially, we have some problems, but with local support, we solved the same, and we are continuously in contact with them. They are frequently visiting our site and supporting. So, initially, those problems were solved, and now we are being in contact with them, and we hope that future problem will not be that much. And we have still, the machinery is not full capacity because our requirement is 10,000 ton and 1 lakh cubic meter OB removal per day. So, in the coming future, we will introduce more equipments. So, we hope that similar type of equipments will be introduced, and we will produce with support from the suppliers, the contractors, our teams and the company. So, all are our partners, the business partners. So, with one person we cannot achieve. So, we need support, they also need support from our side. So, it is vice versa. So, both side cooperation is very much required, communication is required, support from both sides is also essential. So, with this we can achieve our goals and you can also achieve the same. So, we hope that in future, coming future, you will support the similar fashion, and we will get the efficiency of the equipments without problem. We can run the mines safely. We have adopted high standard of safety. In this, we are not allowing these without the fire extinguishers, lighting, indicators. These are the DGMS norms. So, we have to follow the DGMS norms, Direction General of Mine Safety of India. So, we have to follow the safety standards, and we are supposed to maintain high standard of safety in our mines. Fortunately, we do not have measure any accident in the full 1 year operation in our mines, and we will continue the same. We hope we will continue the same. Similarly, we also expect you share your experience in other site. You have many equipments worldwide. So, if you share your experience, the problems we can rectify before it comes. Once a problem comes and we solve, it's a different thing. And if the problem comes before we recognize that this problem may come, and if we rectify, it's better. So, our strategy will be not to wait until the problem comes, but to counter it before it comes. So, with your support, it will be possible. We hope it will be possible and you will support in the same line.
So, sir, talking about the case dozers,
Yeah.
you told that you have 5 case dozers with you.
Yeah.
How has been their performance? I mean, how many hours they have clocked? I understand.
Nearly 5,000 working hours is
1 year.
close, 1 year, within 1 year, 5,000 working hours we almost clocked. So, and initially what I told is initially we have some track problems, some small problems, but now it's okay.
And for the dozers, 5,000 hours in 1 year, that means the machines are working 24 hours a day. I mean, almost
Yeah,
24
yes,
hours.
yes, yes.
So, are we operating the mine in all the 3 shifts?
Yeah, we are operating the mines in all the 3 shifts, and 24 days, 7 days, 24 hours in a month. Sometimes we observe some holidays, some special festivals like that. Otherwise, the mines is running continuously.
And same is the case for the graders also.
Graders and dozers are also
You
running
have
the same.
865 graders working in your mines.
Yeah.
2050 M dozers.
Yeah, yeah. But we never compromise with the maintenance. Every day we are sparing some half an hour and 1 hour for each and every equipment. Our maintenance team with service van going to site. One service van is for excavators and dozers, and another for moving equipments like dumpers and graders and tire mounted equipments. So full time our teams are in the field, and we never compromise the maintenance, schedule maintenance, daily checkup, and from your side also one representative supporting us daily basis. So this is good with a combination of the your expertise team and our team. So
I'm sure, sir, while you take care of all the safety measures, you also
Yeah.
ensure that the operators are comfortable
Yeah.
and at the same time the fuel efficiency is met. Would you like to share something about the fuel efficiency?
Yeah, see, these dozers are little bit light compared to the old versions, old equipments that like BML, some dozers were very heavy. So definitely it will consume more fuel. In this case, this is latest and electronically supported equipment. So as far as the diesel consumption is concerned, we are satisfied with this system, and it's okay, not an
Being
issue.
light, it is giving the same power. I mean, the power.
Yeah,
the
initially
power
what happened, the operators are not conversant with the technique. So in the beginning, with your team support, Mr. particularly Suman, they supported our team. Sometimes they don't know which button is for what purpose because they have experience in other equipments. So they gave training to our team. Then high mode, low mode, what is the function of this button? And little bit problem was there, that visibility problem was there. So slowly they are now getting experience in these dozers and excavators, that's graders, and now almost
Because I was
settled.
talking to them and they were saying that the operations are quite smooth, the levers are good,
Yeah.
the cabin is air conditioned, which
Yeah.
makes it easier for them to operate even in the long
Now
hours.
nowadays, see, all the cabins are mandatory to keep AC. In earlier days, when I was in 90, that days it was not mandatory from Director General of Mine Safety. Nowadays, if you introduce any equipment in the mines, it must be with AC. That is requirement, the basic requirement.
And talking about the variable horsepower (VHP) of
Yeah.
the graders, where the grader automatically senses the load at the blade and use the power,
Yeah.
regulates it itself so as it becomes easier for it and ensures the fuel efficiency.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, that electronically supported. Nowadays, there are so many sensors. Engine also takes fuel, whatever is required. In earlier days, there were no electronic support. So even the person's race, it will consume more fuel and will go unburnt gases in the exhaust. So nowadays, the engine systems are different, electronically supported. So whatever the air is, oxygen is available, accordingly the fuel will be supplied to the injectors. So the fuel will be burnt inside the cylinder, not outside the exhaust gases. So earlier it was the issue in not only case, in other equipments also, but nowadays it is better. And earlier days it was different because the fuel costs were not that much. When we were selecting the equipments, we were thinking only about the equipment cost, not the fuel cost or fuel efficiency. Nowadays, when I select the equipment, what we ask, how much it is giving, what is the average. So now the criteria is totally changed in the 20, 30 years because now fuel cost is always going up. So nowadays 70 rupees a liter. In that days it was 4 rupees. So it is more than 20
overall
15 times. So if the equipment is not this fuel efficient, it will not sustain in the mining because the fuel is the major cost in the mining.
Correct, which I agree. So any other feedback about the machine and how the machine has helped you so far in 1 year? Anything which you would like to quote with us? Any happy moment, happy experience, or something which your operators told you that maybe the machine is good and it has been helpful for them?
Yeah, as far as our the experience is concerned, because it is too early to say something about that, because our equipment has run almost 5,000 hours under warranty. That is also. So your support was 100% because it was under warranty. But after warranty, we hope your support will continue. Price will be from our end or your end. It will not make any matter, because ultimately the machine should run continuously.
Exactly. The downtime should be
Yeah, downtime must be reduced. So we hope it will be there. Thanks.
वो इम्प्रेशन ने आपको कैसे अलाउ किया या फोर्स किया कि आपने केस की मशीनें ली यहाँ पे और आपके पास केस की ही मशीनें चल रही हैं ग्रेटर उधर में, पहली चीज़। और फिर इसके बाद जो दूसरा सवाल हम आपसे पूछेंगे वो ये कि जो सर्विस मेंटेनेंस जैसे आप बता रहे बहुत ज़रूरी है मशीनों की, केस की मशीनों में सर्विस करना कितना आसान है? These will be the 2 points I will be talking to you.
कैसा है भाई?
You can ask, you can discuss them with them if you want, and then we start. आप बता दीजिए कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं।
ग्रेटर और डोजर दोनों में एकदम इजी है, बाहर से ही हम लोग सब ओपन कर सकते हैं, फिल्टर वगैरह। और ये कोई ऐसा डिफिकल्ट फिल्टर या कोई मेंटेनेंस
स्पेशल टूल्स और ऐसा कुछ जरूरत नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से।
एकदम इजी है कि जो रेगुलर मेंटेनेंस बहुत इजी है।
तो आप इसमें ये भी कह सकते हैं कि ब्रांड जो कि बहुत पुरानी है, इंडिया में नाम बहुत अच्छे से है और ग्लोबली इसकी ग्रेटर और डोजर जाने जाते हैं, यही सोच के हम लोगों ने भी लिया था। और एक जो दूसरा पॉइंट ये भी बोल सकते हैं इसमें कि सर्विसिंग इसकी आसान है, डे टू डे मेंटेनेंस करना बहुत आसान है। और बाकी जैसा आप चाहें वो तो
ना वो तो
ज़्यादा अच्छी है। Ready? Sir, while you bought these case machines,
Yeah.
what was your thought? What made you choose case machines? What is your impression about the brand?
See now how we go with case, because our contractor Messrs. PC Patel and Mahalakshmi, they have many sites all over the India. So they have introduced in other sites with based on the performance. They introduce in our site. This is not new for the company. This is new for this site, but it was before used in the other site. Based on that, they recommended, particularly Mahalakshmi directors recommended that okay, the performance is in our site is okay, and it should not only the performance, it should be economically also viable, because if it is not economically viable, then it will not sustain, because everybody wants profit. Without profit nobody can sustain. So it should be technically and economically viable. Based on that recommendation from directors, they introduced. But initially we suffered little bit and were thinking that our decision was wrong, like that. But fortunately, with your supports, again we come to the track, and we maintained the equipments very well without trouble, and working very good way. And this also maintenance friendly. Equipments do not have that much problem. Not an issue.
So talking about the maintenance, you were saying maintenance friendly. How is case machines easy for you to maintain for the day-to-day working? And you were saying talking about.
So now see what we need maintenance team. It should not need special skill, special tools. That means it is easy to maintain. So our team, you know that contractors do not have that much qualified like B or diploma holders like that, because these persons are based on experience. They are working based on experience. So the equipment must be not required that much of skill and special tools and the regular like normal maintenance. So our team have that much experience. They have lot of experience, even 10-20 years, even though they are not graduate or diploma holders, but they have lot of experience. If we say you remove the engine or replace the engine, they do themselves. No need supervision from officials. So that way it is easy to this.
So, and the case machines have been easy to maintain? In
Yeah,
that case?
yes,
You
yes.
can access it from the ground?
Yeah, not problem. Easy to have maintenance, and our team now have got experience working with the dozers and particularly these graders. So once we say that okay, this machine is having this one maintenance, okay, you go and do this. It's not an issue.